हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल गेम एंड आर्ट। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं DIY एयर प्योरीफायर का। आज हम घर पे ही एक एयर प्योरीफायर बनाएंगे, हैंडमेड होम प्योरीफायर, नॉट कम्प्लीटली हैंडमेड बट येस DIY एट होम। तो हमारे पास है एक एयर प्योरीफायर फिल्टर Xiaomi का, दैट वी हैव बॉट दिस स्मार्ट एयर प्योरीफायर फॉर लाइट फिल्टर ओनली, एंड नाउ वी आल्सो हैव दिस 150 mm Halonix fan that is also easily available in the market. And apart from this, we also have a couple of more things. हमारे को एक वायर चाहिए होगा, एक पावर प्लग चाहिए होगा, डबल साइड टेप, इलेक्ट्रिकल टेप, a wire cutter, and masking tape, or stand to base the air purifier. This is a water pot stand, and this is rubbered soundproofing tape that you can find in the market. I have it with me, so I'm using that piece only. So now, let us just unbox the things and let us start assembling the air purifier. Okay guys, so हमने unbox कर लिया है. This is the air purifier, and this is the fan. So fan itself is like with the cover. So what I did, I actually removed the cover and I added the tape itself, the soundproofing tape, the rubber tape here on the circumference of this particular fan, just to cover up the top of the air purifier. And also what I did, I attached the cable itself to the fan and added a plug at the end of it. Yeah. So this is what we have done so far, and there is a ring in which is basically to lock the fan itself. It is there in the box only. So what I did, I actually added the masking tape here and placed the ring at the top of the back of the fan. Since what this fan is doing, this will take the air from here and it will blow from here. So just to increase the area here, and what I wanted to do is I just want this particular net to be reused, not from the back side but on the front side of it. So let us do this thing, and let me just place this fan at the top of the air purifier. So let us do it. So guys, I placed it and it is like this. You just have to make sure this ring should be covered with that particular rubber tape that I have added there just to block the air, and it should not suck any air outside the filter. Make sure the edge of the upper should cover that particular line, like that. This is perfectly fit and seems to be okay. So now let me just add the cover on top of it. So this cover will get locked here like this. So just now this purifier is ready. You just have to place the bottom, and let me just add this water and resume the video. So before moving ahead, what I thought is to add this double-sided tape on the bottom of this particular stand, so that when I place the air purifier here, it should not displace and it should hold the filter itself, right? Let us do this. Okay guys, taping is ready. So double-sided tape has been added. अब हम लोग इसका पेपर उतार देते हैं. ओके, ये हो गया. अब हम प्यूरीफायर को प्लेस कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, इवनली प्लेस हो गया है एंड स्टडी है, चिपक भी गया है साथ में. हमारा प्यूरीफायर रेडी है. अब हम इसको ऑन करके देख लेते हैं. लेट मी जस्ट कनेक्ट द पावर. प्यूरीफायर ऑन हो गया है, कनेक्टेड है, अच्छी एयर आ रही है और मेरे हिसाब से इसका सक्शन भी सही हो रहा है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमने एयर बंद करने के लिए जो रबर टेपिंग लगाया है, इट्स डूइंग इट्स जॉब. सक्शन अच्छा हो रहा है, वर्किंग वेल. Okay guys, this is DIY air purifier.